Well, my family members said, well, we teach leadership skills, and you've never heard of Dale Carnegie? I said, no. Gave me the book. So I read the book. I said, you know, this is really interesting. Do you think I can take this course? 18 years old. He said, sure. I said, but you know, I don't really have the money for the tuition. He's like, no, you're summer intern. You can have it complimentary. I said, okay, sign me up. So I took the course, 1998. And I remember I was the youngest person in the room by like 25 years. And it changed my life. Completely. Simple things that I even to this day has been etched in my memory forever. Remembering people's names, smiling, eye contact, public speaking, the ability to connect with individuals, look at things from their perspective. This was all taught to me by the course that I took. The shyness completely went away. It was one of the most pivotal moments of my entire life. There is a massive generation, which is Gen Z, that needs your help, that needs the Dale Carnegie skills, that you have to find a way to be able to connect with this next generation. We are in a remote work environment. We don't have the luxury of being able to have a mentor in the office. Everybody is in their homes. There's no more luxury of being able to observe incredible executives, mid-level executives, senior executives. These are gone. Everybody is a two-dimensional image on a Zoom computer or Microsoft Teams. The skill sets that you can teach to the next generation will fundamentally shape, in my humble opinion, the future of this country, as it did for me. Thank you very much.